Wake up, wake up, wake up! Up you wake, up you wake, up you wake, up you wake!
Peace to the goddesses and gods of Planet Key, human and reflections of all kind. I'm Free Bird, back at it again. And today I got y'all, tonight I got y'all in the woods with another unboxing. Tonight's unboxing, we got the solar charger power bank coming straight from Amazon. You already know how I do. Everything coming from Amazon. Amazing Amazon. With that being said, let's go ahead and get out our handy dandy notebook. She come through on time, every time. Let's get into these details. Okay, so this is made by the Boo Go store. Sound like somebody Boo who got a Go store, which is made in the U.S. by the way, with a 5-star rating, 100% positive in the last 12 months. You always want to see that coming from a buyer on Amazon or from anywhere else for that matter. Like I said, it's a solar charger power bank of 63,200 mAh. It's a portable charger with dual outputs and dual inputs, with 4 LED flashlight, hand crank power bank, and it's good for a fast charging battery pack as an outdoor camping survival gear. Just in case you're looking for something to survive with to charge up your gadgets, whatnot, when you're outside in the wilderness. What is that? Okay, so $60 on Amazon flat, $59.99. Comes in black, blue, and green. It's 5 volts lithium polymer. As far as outposts, you can charge 3 devices at the same time. It takes 9 to 12 hours to fully charge using sunlight. They say highly recommended to use hand crank or solar panels for emergency. Use wall charger as primary source. We'll see. With all that being said, the people give it a 4.2 out of 5 stars, which is lovely, man. That's real good rating right there on Amazon. The cons, we the people say, it's a little heavy, and the power button can be a pain. The power button can be a pain. You gotta use the power button. I can see how that can be a problem. Well, that's gonna be the basic details. With that being done, we're gonna hop right into this box, man. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. I did not mean to do that. I hope she heavy duty. Well, they did say it's heavy, so yeah, I hope it's wrapped up good in there too. With tonight's unboxing, we're gonna put the Reaper on them. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I pulled this out the camping bag. Good for shaving wood, grass, and any other thing you might need cut, such as unboxings. Here we go. I like to hear it over the microphone. Don't be me. Cut away from you. Cut away from you, not towards you. But I'm me. You be you. Protection. Oh, every time. Heavenly sent. You see the halo. I like that. I like that. I like that boxing though. I wish I would have had. I ain't seen no red one even on the option. I would have got a red one. I'm not gonna lie. But then again, being that I'm gonna be in the woods, green is the way to go. You want it to be camo with the nature around you. Ain't no red out in nature, baby. So check out the packaging. Hear them cars racing out there. Okay. Something slight. Don't want to go crazy with the knife now. Well packaged, man. Looks nice. Nice presentation. Presentation is everything. If you asking, y'all let me know if y'all see something in the woods behind me. Drop it in the comments. I'll check it out later. Although I'm not worried. I be one with nature, for I am. You got your charge cable, C port with the female part. Or no, is that the male part? The male part with the C port. You got your little lanyard to tie onto it. You won't be putting that on your wrist, but you can put it on something else. And here's the final product. Look, that's the solar panel right there. You can get into that. Look at the 4 LED lights I was just speaking about earlier. That's just a little. This can be the hand crank. Oh, it worked too. Charge me up. See, the blue is fully charged already. Ain't that something? I like that. I didn't fully charge it, but I'm sure it came like that. The green light was on. It's off now. Oh yeah, nice presentation, man. I'm loving it so far. What we got here? Oh, they come out. So they give you cables already to go with it. Ain't that nice? How sweet. So you get 3 of them. I'm not gonna pull them all out, but I pull out a couple to see. You got your iPhone there and your Android. I think Android still use those. If not, you can use some, I'm sure. And put these back. And these nice little holders for them too. That's sweet. You don't see that too often on a power bank. They spoke about it being heavy. I mean, it got some weight to it, not too heavy. Especially if you got it in the backpack, I can see how this can take its toll. I was just thinking, what could I charge up so that you can see it work? I mean, but you did see the hand crank work. I see the power button, the infamous power button. Let's give it a go. There's power button there, lights here. Maybe it's dead. Oh, I see what happened just now. I pressed hard and the damn power button went in. And I can't press the power button no more. Would you look at that? Sometimes them products, man, they don't lie. People don't lie, man. But we can keep going with the review. I'll be sending this back to Amazon, unfortunately. And I can't use it to go fishing tomorrow. I don't see how I could. That's gonna suck, but I'll make it work. I got that GoPro. Okay, so you got your 2 outputs, C, and that's the Android. Oh yeah. Okay, that's gonna be for the iPhone, the other end. Not the part that you stick in your phone, but the part that's sticking the block. That sucked, bro. I'm ready to see if I can get that out of there. Damn. Excuse the lingo, children. They was not joking about that power button. How do you? I did not press that hard at all. Just trying to get it to work. Try to get the lights on, and that happened. Ooh, they said, what did they say? 4.2 out of 5? Somebody might have lied. Dang, yo, that's crazy. Maybe the hand crank. That worked. You see, every time you use the hand crank, the lights come on. It's a 3. It was 4. Maybe you don't need the power button to charge it. Don't ask me, man. I haven't used it once yet. But you won't be getting the flashlights on without the power button. Can I still press the power button? Man, ain't nothing pressing that thing. That thing is in there. Like swimwear. Look, it's in there. They need to make it hard. They need to make it bigger and need to make it soft so you can just simply press it. I just was like, and it went in and it's not coming back out. Amazon, you got me for my ducats. But I'm gonna let the people know, man. We the people, we gotta know these things, man. So that's, if you think about getting one of these, you may want to reconsider. Like I said, I'll be sending this one back to get another one. Unfortunately, that's so inconvenient. I couldn't even get to use the thing, man. The presentation, it looked good, weight good, it's clean. Can you still charge it up without, you know what I'm about to do? My microphone's in there. Give me 1 second. I'll get that in a minute. Let's see. Dang, the flashlight don't work though. And you need to know these things before you go out into the woods in the wilderness talking about you gonna survive with something like this. And then you go to press the power button and your flashlight don't work. What if that was the only flashlight you had? You would be out back like them woods out there. You need to know this type of stuff. And that's why I'm here with you. What's that? Input? No, that's just another output. Let's go ahead and stick this in the iPhone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is charging, but you won't be getting this flashlight on. So now I'm in between the rock and the hard place because I still want to use it. $60 now. I gotta go back. I still want to use it as a power bank. I didn't buy it for the flashlight, so I may take it on the chin. Then again, I may not because I want what I pay for, and I would like for it to be, in good condition before I even. I don't know, man. I wanted it to work completely, not just halfway. Like if we got flashlights, I want the flashlights to work. Can't press the button. But that did work. Light's still on. It does charge, but it does not use its flashlight. So we're gonna put the hand crank back in. You see the hole right there. But it goes in there, that's nice and tight. It ain't loosey-goosey. You don't want that out everywhere while you having it in your pocket or in your bag. So yeah, man, this one gonna be short and sweet tonight. No 40-minute video here. But other than that, see, the power button need to be like this, with this same type of thing on. You ever seen the power button with the soft material on there? It should make it big and square like this. You don't want it tight and hard. You got a loser now, man. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. I will be using it fishing tomorrow. I need a power bank, man. But it's definitely going back to Amazon to get my money back. And hopefully I'll be doing another review with another power bank for you people, man. For the people, we are. Hey, man. Again, I enjoyed making this video for y'all. It was fun. Nice, cool night, quiet. You hear that? Nothing but the crickets, baby. Ooh, don't you love it? Country living. I'm gonna put the reaper back. And I'm gonna get back with you people, man. I love y'all. I'm Freebird. If you like the video, like I like making it for you, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Beware what you buy on Amazon. Shemu, Temu, Hemu. Do you check your reviews? Do your own unboxings if you can. And if you can't, welcome to my channel. I'll do them for you. I'm gone. Peace. Look at the little man on the hiking joint. They say hiking, but that is not hiking. That is fishing, my friend. That is fishing, my friend. Hold on, I got hiking up there twice. I'm gonna need for y'all to get it together, man. Pretty decent product though, but y'all gotta do better. PS 618. Not bad for a mom and pop joint. Y'all can do a little bit better though, and y'all how the people sold, baby. Y'all how the people sold. hiking. Boy, that's fishing. That's a misprint. It's okay though. We try. We love, we learn, we try.